This morning, I just want to talk for a quick moment about tankless water heaters. This is a Navion tankless water heater. It performs excellently from an energy efficiency perspective, but one of the cool features about it is it has a recirculation line with a built-in recirculation pump, which you can't see right now, but it's under the cover. Additionally, it has a microprocessor in it that will run the water through the recirc line and preheat your hot water, but it memorizes your habits and only does that when it thinks you're going to use hot water. It's a great unit.